Okay, let's start with our first lesson today. So, we're at this page of like GitHub here, and you can see here GitHub is actually a place for you to build softwares and websites and such. So start building our website, including this function in GitHub called GitHub Pages, which is really great. And it's a static website, so you can't send post and get to the website, but it's static, so it has no vulnerability. So by starting, we click sign up, and here will pop up some things. And let's see, so here enter email, so you can enter exam. And yeah, and continue, it will ask you to enter your passwords and usernames and such. So I already have an account, so I would rather sign in. And yeah, so here will be many this uh functions like recent repositories, activities, uh, changes and such. So I'll first go to my repositories. Um, so by creating a website, you need to create a new repository called your username .github.io. So you can replace this your username with your sign-up username. In this case, it's QQ Max. So since I've already built it, you can so I cannot create another one. The description is optional. It will be a meta description tag on your website. Keep this repository public and add a README file. You can also choose licenses and get ignored. Go back to my repositories. So here you can see a lot of things here. There's Jekyll folders and READMEs and licenses and favicons. So after you've created your first repository, you should see a readme.md, a license file, and sometimes you can see a git ignore file. So by start creating your website, you enter readme.md, and you can actually write anything here. Blah 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 blah, like this. So and after you can write a topic, and here's some descriptions, and here you can select your mails. You can commit directly to the main branch since it's a website, but to keep safe, you can also create a new branch for this commit. And if you have this new branch commit, it will jump to this pull request place, and you can create a pull request. And if it says this branch has no conflict with the base branch, you can merge this pull request. Yeah, and here's this merge commit. And after that, you can safely delete the branch. So now you should see you have updated your readme.md file. You can go to settings, pages, and you can choose either main. You can choose this main, and you have to choose this root since the docs isn't you have nothing in the docs because you have this readme.md. And you can also choose a theme. Here I chose this Cayman theme. There can also be Slate, Merlot, Time Machine, and Minimal. Minimal is good. And many people are using Minimal. Cayman was easy to use. Select theme. And after it, you can see here should be a config.yml file. You can enter it and see you should be able to see this theme, Jekyll theme Cayman. The others I wrote those by myself, so you don't have to care about it. And wait for a few minutes. You should be able to see this. Your site is published at blah blah blah. If you're urgent, you can go to actions and see the first. Yeah, and now it says, so here's a check mark. You then go to settings, pages, and it should say your site is published at qqmax.github.io or your username.github.io. Plug it in, and you can see your newly built website. So this is the first video of our lesson, and I will later make other lessons. And yeah, just be ready. Next class, we are going to talk about writing your blogs with this new language called Markdown. And here we go. Bye bye.